Hello, Kansas City. It's time again for our housing market update and question of the month. I'm Gina Walton with the Walton Home Team of Keller Williams, and I look forward to updating you on our current market stats. So we're looking at January 2026 compared to January 2025. And when we look at Kansas City overall, we saw the number of closed homes increase by 3.1%. In Johnson County, we saw the increase by 11.2%. Now, average price in comparison is up 8% for Kansas City and up in Johnson County 10.5%. Inventory is the number of homes that are for sale compared to the number of buyers looking to purchase a home. And we saw the inventory increase in Kansas City by 1.4%, with a decrease in Johnson County by 0.7%. So overall, our supply of homes remains around 2 months inventory, which is still a seller's market. Now, the question of the month is, what have we seen in comparison of 2025 overall in the housing market for changes as we go into 2026? And there's two main things that we're starting to see. Days on the market have increased by 18%. So an average days on market from list to sale or contract has been 49 days and now increased to 58 days. And the other change is the percent of original list price compared to the price at closing has changed to 95%. So depending on inspection renegotiations or original contract price negotiations, we've seen that decrease by about 5% off the list price that was originally listed. Now, please know there are pockets that are still getting multiple offers and going considerably over list price. But overall in Kansas City, we are seeing the average list price compared to sales price about 95%. As always, it's a pleasure to be your real estate professional, and we look forward to helping you, your friends, and family with any of their real estate goals for 2026. Have a great day, Kansas City.